Yeah guys, I gotta charge my vape and fill up the pod. So I'm going to head on and pull the pod out and go ahead and start charging my vape. And fill up the pod. That's weird. Let me see if I can get this other side filled up perfect, because otherwise it's not. It's a little low. Yay, finally got the pod fully filled. So now just gotta let the vape charge. So yeah, I hope you guys understand, so please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload YouTube videos, upload YouTube shorts, and when I go live on YouTube. And keep an eye on the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. Until YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post in the community tab as a notification, even though I know it will pop up on your YouTube homepage.